Ka Indian Gulf Union rengkat bat ke Meghalaya Gulf Promoters Society kila penelong ya ka IGU Northeast India Ladies and Junior Girls Gulf Championship ha Shillong Gulf Course. Ha ke baki nongil akai Gulf na kelengkeri India kelawan bani Shim bynta ha ke ni ke Lympung ya iatied Gulf. Kini ke jing iatied Gulf tang na ke bynta ki Thei kala sedang ha ka khat khandai tarik haduh ke arpu tarik risau ha ke balai pun ngut ki Thei akai Gulf na keleng ki bynta jongkeri India kelawan Shim bynta ha ke ni ke Lympung. Kini ke nongil akai kila sei bet pen ia la ke jong hasap ha ke jing iatied Gulf bani okor ke nam la haduh bat kham tam baki wan ke kerdan ke basyakmat. Habai keren baki ni kinongil akai klero ke jing itenat bat ke jinglong jingman jong ke Shillong Golf Course bat kilo ongru ba kamlong ke basuk ban iatied Gulf ha ke ni ke madan. Habai nujor bat ki weipat ki iatied Gulf ki badan ha keri India. Warlah ke ni ke Lympung ngil akai kelalong ha Shillong hendri lasaki ba Shim ladan tangka weiru ke Thei ni ke jela Meghalaya ke bani bani Shim bynta ha ke ni ke Lympung iatied Gulf. Halor ke ni Presiden ke Meghalaya Gulf Promoters Society Ugorov Bajaj. Ulong ba ke jingwan sapriang ka klam ha ke jela kala penduk la ki Thei bani akai Gulf. Kumta kem Shim lala ban pendep ki kendon ki balabu da ke IGU. Kat baki weipat ki jela kila ailat ki Thei baki ni akai Gulf. Kini ki Thei akai Gulf kila kentui ki Thei ke jela baki di ban Shim kya nala dia ya ke jingil akai Gulf. Da ke Shim kabui ke jingdon ke jakai akai ke babha bat baki laru ban poi ke kedan ke bhajrong bat ban yora ki kusnam baper.
So 31 girls have played today and they are the best amongst the merit list. Now these girls are playing this tournament to score points for the merit list, and after Shillong they'll be playing in Tollygunge Club, Calcutta. And based on the performance they gather points, and that's how the merit list is decided.
Tell us what is the main reason that we don't see any place for Meghalaya to participate in this tournament?
COVID has impacted, or it has taken us back by 2 years, due to which our local players did not get ample time for participation, because while the other states were opening as per the state protocols, we did not have enough time to practice, and there's a handicap criteria which some of our girls or the ladies could not qualify themselves for. So that's the reason we've not had any participation from our state. And also from the Meghalaya Golf Promoters Society, we are trying our level best to revive an academy so that our juniors or even the citizens of our state, they have access to a good academy and they can take up the golf, and probably we can produce some top in world-class golfers from our state.
Kategori C, Karia Jadan kelalong kalado katba ka Anuradha Chaudhuri kelawan Baar. Ha ka kategori B, ka Sanvi Somu kelalong kalado katba ka Bawan Baar pat kedai ka Palakshi Singh. Haka Combined A and B Junior Championship ikanam lakdo layok da ka Rishika Muralidhar katba ka Rini Rane kelawan Baar. Bat haka Combined A and B Ladies Championship ikanam lakdo layok rak biang da ka Rishika Muralidhar bat ka Simriti Bhargav kelawan Baar.
My experience has been pretty good so far. The course is a little bit challenging. The greens are very challenging because it's super slow and bumpy. But I'm getting used to it now, but the fairways and the course design is really good, and it's like been overall great. It's been like because I play in the rain, I just got a new experience, so yeah, I liked it so far.
What are your next plans?
Right now it's just to keep playing IGU and the pro circuit and to just finish in the top, and next year just like to get into Asian Games. It's like right now that's just my plan.
So far it's been a great experience. It's a great course, like the layout's amazing. I think it just needs to be maintained a little bit more, but it's still playing really well, and it's a pretty easy course, but it's tricky for people coming from the cities because we don't have like very undulating courses there, so it's a tricky course for us at least. But great course, and the experience has been good, really good so far in terms of the tournament and the organization and everything, so it's been good.
Shillong is a beautiful place. One of the main reasons why I wanted to come here. The course, even though the greens are a little tricky and there are a lot of slopes, it challenges you, and the scenery is beautiful to walk, and the mountains, it's very, very pretty, and the weather's conditions are also really good, so I'm having a good time. They have a good facility here. The greens can improve, but The course itself is very challenging compared to a lot of the other courses in India, and keep practicing here. I think you'll be able to compete anywhere in the country.